of Fortune game comes with everything, except me.
I'll buy a vowel. I.
You got 3 eyes!
We're in the home version.
All new Home Jeopardy.
And the new Wheel of Fortune game.
Don't worry, the home version is when you play a game show at home. Here's Family Feud, the 2nd edition, 3rd edition, 4th edition, 5th edition, 6th edition, 7th edition, and 8th edition. Let's go!
Hello, my name is Baylee, and today we're washing my dog Zoe.
Hello, welcome to Sierra Vista Life at Home. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a beautiful garden. First, you'll need some seeds, your choice. Then take those seeds and put them to soil or ground. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Then cover those seeds firmly with soil and dirt. Thoroughly wet them with your watering can everywhere. Hopefully this gives you something fun.
Hi, I'm Wild. One of the things you can do is go for a swim. Stay healthy and enjoy your swim.
Here's how to make really good mac and cheese when you're at home. Step 1 is to gather all the supplies. Step 2 is to boil water. Step 3 is to add the macaroni once the water boils. Step 4 is to set a timer for 10 minutes and then after 10 minutes, drain. Step 5 is to drain the macaroni, then add cheese, milk, and butter and stir. And the 6th and final step is to eat.
One thing you can do is you can play with your pets. You can give them toys to chew on and play with. You could also teach them some cool new tricks. I'm gonna watercolor. Let's go. Whee! Just gonna swish the water and a dab, 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 and a swipe, 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 swipe. Tiny swipe, tiny swipe, tiny swipe. Coloring. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's a surprise Pikachu when you're bored at home, am I right?
Hi, my name is Erin, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make tea the easy way, so let's go. First, you want to fill a cup, preferably a mug, with lemon water, or you can use regular water and add powdered lemon packets later. Then you want to take your mug, put it in a microwave, and put it on for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Of course, you don't have to put lemon in it if you don't want to, or the honey that I'll be adding later. Once you are done, take out the mug and add your tea packets in. I decided to use these two to make a medicine ball. Add your tea packets, mix in some honey, and enjoy.
Hi, I'm John Bagarian, and I use pressure-treated wood to make a planter. For step 1, you need to pick out your wood and have us cut it. For step 2, let's put it together. Make sure to have adult supervision. For step 3, we need to put it all together. We first put the seed starting mix, then we put the seeds, then we put the fertilizer, then the water. This is an example of a cucumber. And then you put
flour. Second, 1.5 cup of warm water. Third, 2 teaspoons of salt. 4, 2 spoons of yeast. 5, half a spoon of butter.
One thing you can do is play a card game.
Hi, my name is Kira, and I will be showing you an art app to use while at home. The app that I recommend is called Chrome Canvas. You click the first link and it should take you to the home page. Once you get to the home page, click Get Started. Then, you have to sign up with your email. Once you sign up with your email, it should take you to a blank canvas like this. This app allows you to sketch, to draw, and to color.